Next important concept is importance of principles of management. Importance of principle of management. This will be asked you for 4 marks. What are explain the principles of you explain the importance of principles of management. There are 6 importance are there, which are those means it helps in taking wise decisions. It helps in taking wise decisions. Next, second point, optimum utilization of available resources. It helps to meet the changing requirements. Effective administration, social obligation. Next, 6th point, management, training, education and research. Let's go one by one. The first point is it helps in taking wise decisions, which is nothing but the company is going to take the correct decisions. The principles of management are going to help to the organization to take the correct effective decisions in the organization for the different departments in the organization. Next, second point, optimum utilization of resources. Optimum utilization of available resources is nothing but the production department will be used full area and will be used raw materials without wasting in the organization. The finance management, the finance department, they should use the finance in a corrective and correct manner. Human resource department, they should utilize the human resources in a corrective manner and fully manner. That is called optimum utilization of available resources. Next, third point, it helps to meet the changing requirements. The principles of management are going to help according to the changes, are going to help to according to the situations. The principles of management are going to help according to the problems which is facing in the organization. That is called, it helps to meet the changing requirements. If we have any requirement in the organization to bring the changes, to bring some rules and regulations, to bring some norms, to bring some thing in the organization, means the principles of management are going to help to meet the changing requirements. Next, fourth point, effective administration. Effective administration is nothing but if we are following the correct principles, if we are following the correct truths, if we are following the correct decisions, if we are following the each and everything in a easy manner, means then our business will be under effective administration. If we are following the correct principles of the business, means then only we will be achieving our goals, then only we will be following, then only we will be achieving our what we will be achieving our objectives of the business. Next, fifth point, social obligation. Social obligation is nothing but the principle of management. They are going to give certain guidelines, which means providing salaries to the employees on the time, providing wages to the laborers on the time, without wasting, without cheating to the customer. We will be providing quality products with low price and keeping the environment safe. We should not protect any environment, we should not create any problem in the society. We should think about the people who are living in our society. That is called social obligations. Next, last point, management, training, education and research. Here in this last point, if we want to become the manager, we will be having the training in the organization, we will be having the educational areas, we will be having the research areas. Here, if we will be getting the education, if we want to become the manager, we should hold some master degrees in the hand, which is given by the universities. For example, MBA, MCOM, MCA, the CA, and then ICWA. They are the professional courses where we are going to take the education. And while after education, we will be having the research, we will be having the training centers in the society, and according to that we will be doing some research, then we will become the experts. Then we are going to maintain, we are going to prepare the principles of the management. Here, once again, I repeat the importance. It will be asked you for 4 marks. There are 6 points. It helps in taking wise decisions. It helps in optimum utilization of available resources. It helps to meet the changing requirements, effective administration, social obligation, and management training and research. In today's class, we have come across the chapter 2 called Principles of Management. In this chapter, you will be getting 7 marks questions. 1 marks 1 question, 2 marks 1 question, 4 marks 1 question. Meaning of principles of management. Principles of management is nothing but they are the statements of fundamental tools which provide guidelines to the managers to manage the business activities, to make decisions, to take actions, to tackle, to handle the various problems effectively and efficiently. Next, features of principles of management. There are 7 universally accepted general guidelines formed by observation and experimentation. Flexibility, mainly behavioral in nature, cause and effect relationship, and last one, contingent. And the importance of the principles of management, it helps in taking wise decisions, optimum utilization of available resources, it helps to meet the changing requirements, effective administration, social obligation, management training, education and research. I hope all of you have been understood today's class. In my next class, I am going to take the next topic for you, which is very important for the examination. I hope understood this all the areas today. Thank you so much.